Have you ever felt like you just can't get the hang of it? As an English learner, mastering common idioms can be a real challenge. But once you understand them, it can make a big difference in your communication skills. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood the literal meaning of "get the hang of it." My friend, who was new to English, thought it meant literally hanging from something to learn a new skill. So, he tried to get the hang of riding a bike by literally hanging from a tree branch. Needless to say, it didn't end well. So, what does "get the hang of it" actually mean? It's an idiom that refers to the process of becoming familiar with and skilled at a new task or activity. Let me show you what it looks like when someone correctly gets the hang of it. My friend Sarah was learning how to play the guitar. At first, she struggled to coordinate her fingers and strum the chords. But after a few weeks of regular practice, she started to get the hang of it. Her playing became smoother, and she was able to play entire songs with ease. Here are some examples of how you can use "get the hang of it" in different contexts. Casual conversation: "Don't worry, you'll get the hang of using the new coffee machine in no time." Formal setting: "Once the new employees get the hang of our company's procedures, they'll be able to work more efficiently." Negative context: "I've been trying to learn this new software for weeks, but I just can't seem to get the hang of it." Humorous context: "After a few disastrous attempts, the chef finally got the hang of flipping pancakes without making a mess." Literary context: "As the young apprentice slowly got the hang of the ancient craft, a sense of pride began to swell within him." Business setting: "It may take a little time, but I'm confident our team will get the hang of the new project management system." Social media usage: "I'm still trying to get the hang of posting the perfect Instagram photo." Any tips? To help you remember the meaning of "get the hang of it," try picturing a person literally hanging from a hook or peg as they practice a new skill. This visual image can serve as a mnemonic device to recall the idiom's figurative meaning of becoming proficient through repetition and experience. Here are some fun facts about the idiom "get the hang of it." The origin of this phrase dates back to the mid-19th century, where hang referred to the knack or technique needed to do something. The idiom reflects the cultural value placed on mastering skills and techniques through hands-on experience and practice. In some regions, similar idioms like "get the knack of it" or "get the trick of it" are used, but they all convey the same meaning. Over time, the usage of "get the hang of it" has evolved from a more literal meaning to a more figurative one, reflecting the changing language and cultural contexts. Here are some idioms and phrases that are similar to or related to "get the hang of it." Similar idioms: "get the knack of it," "get the trick of it," "get the gist of it." Opposite idioms: "be all thumbs, can't make heads or tails of it," "be a fish out of water." Related idioms: "practice makes perfect," "learn the ropes," "get the lay of the land." Here's an example sentence using the idiom "get the hang of it." After a few clumsy attempts, the new barista finally got the hang of operating the espresso machine. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. After a few clumsy attempts, the new barista finally became skilled at operating the espresso machine. The meaning remains the same, but the idiom adds a more conversational and relatable tone to the sentence. I remember a time when a colleague of mine used the idiom "get the hang of it" in a really effective way. We were training a new employee on our company's software system, and they were struggling to remember all the steps. My colleague reassured the new employee, saying, "Don't worry, it may take a little time, but you'll get the hang of it." That simple phrase helped the employee feel more confident and encouraged to keep practicing. Here are some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the idiom "get the hang of it." Grammatical mistake, saying I get the hang of it instead of I'm getting the hang of it. The correct usage is with the present continuous tense I'm getting. Misunderstanding, thinking the idiom means literally hanging from something to learn a new skill. Like in the story I shared earlier. Inappropriate context, using the idiom in a formal, serious setting, where a more professional phrase would be more appropriate, such as become proficient or develop expertise. Let's test your understanding of the idiom get the hang of it with a few questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom get the hang of it? A. Literally hang from something to learn a new skill. B. Become familiar and skilled at a new task or activity. C. Understand the basic idea or concept of something. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these is a synonymous expression to get the hang of it? A. Be all thumbs. B. Get the knack of it. C. Can't make heads or tails of it. Correct answer, B. 3. Which of these is an antonymous expression to get the hang of it? A. Learn the ropes. B. Be a fish out of water. C. Practice makes perfect. Correct answer, B. In this video, we've explored the meaning, usage, and cultural context of the idiom get the hang of it. Understanding and properly using this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in English, whether in casual conversations, formal settings, or even creative writing. Remember, the key is to keep practicing and getting the hang of it. Now it's your turn. Share your experiences with using the idiom get the hang of it in the comments below. Try incorporating it into a sentence about a new skill you're learning or a task you're trying to master. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English idiom lessons.